This is Lee Mallett with Mallett Buildings. In Mallett Buildings, and this is the series, this is a continuation of the series on 23 reasons why you should buy from Mallett. Today I'm going to talk about doors. Our buildings are going to come with one steel walk-through door with a wood frame, and then they come with a 10 by 10 roll-up door. Some companies are going to sell you what I call a mobile home door. I don't sell that. We raise a raised panel steel door. Raised panel steel doors are durable. The frame is wood. You have to paint the frame to continue the warranty, but that is by far the best door. That's the door you probably see in most residential construction, on even homes. It is a more expensive door than the trailer house door, but we're looking for quality. On the 10 by 10 roll-up door, you can go to different heights, but that's a standard door in all our buildings. So what separates us when you're looking at buying a building is I'm going to give you a steel door. You can count on that. And that's what you got to be concerned with in this segment, is make sure you're not buying a cheap door, because it won't last the duration of your building. A door is an important part. It has a lot of moving parts. You're opening it all the time. You need to make sure that that's a good quality door. And we offer good quality doors here. So thank you for listening. If we can help you, give us a call.